Alright, we're back. Now I do have, I'll turn it off real quick. I do have the porch light on, so I'm going to go ahead and kill the lights, and my son is going to test the headlight first. So I'm going to go ahead and shut the lights off and go ahead, turn it on. Look at that. Now that's in high. That's in floodlight mode. That's actually pretty bright. Just zoomed in onto the chicken coop, about 50 feet away. Now hold on, go ahead and zoom back in, son. Zoom it back into the chicken coop. Hold it there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can. You might see a few dark spots in the actual LED. Now these are probably soldered onto the actual circuit. I forget what that's called. That's pretty good quality, so go ahead and aim out towards the yard. Yeah, look at that. Right out into the woods. It's looking about 100 feet out. Got a tow dolly there for sale, anybody wants it. Alright, we're going to go ahead and shut that off. Now I have the Quantum tactical flashlight. We're not doing that yet. So we're going to go ahead and fire that out. Look at that. Goodness mercy. Now I don't have porch light on, guys. This is in floodlight mode. I'm trying to use both hands, or use one hand. Now we're shining out towards the chicken coop. Now this is on high. Shining out towards the yard, towards where the tow dolly is. Now we're gonna have a little problem with focus, but I'll just zoom back or bring it back into floodlight. If you just touch it, don't click it, it'll actually switch from high to low to strobe mode. But if you turn it on and then turn it off and then turn it on, well, somebody said if you turn it on and turn it off, it'll start back in high, but as you can see, it didn't do that for me. Alright, where is my stick light? Alright. Now look at that, folks. That thing is literally lighting up the yard. That little booger is bright. I'm going to put it on low. No, that's low. I'm sorry. This is low. And there's our little flashlight. That's not very bright, but you know, if you're just looking for something small in a small area, it's not a real big deal. But yeah, put it on bright. And this just came out of the package. I didn't even charge this yet. Got my little twin stove there. We're making maple syrup this year, guys. Pretty good stuff. Alrighty. So, hope you enjoyed these unboxing reviews. Again, rate, subscribe. If you have a question, drop me a comment. Have a good day.